Hello future doctors, welcoming back you all to another wonderful session of Chemistry Made Simple for NEET, and this is Dr. Radha Subramaniam, and today we are going to just see some amazing tricks for NEET physics and a question which is frequently seen for the exam. Mostly it comes for JEE as well as NEET. So we will try to do one such question within a few seconds of time, okay, without going into detail, a long method. We can see that how can you do it in a simple way, like short trick within few seconds of time. So first of all, let us read the question. Let L, R, C and V represent inductance. That is, L is for inductance, R is for resistance, C is for capacitance and V for voltage. So let R, L, R, C and V represent inductance, resistance, capacitance and voltage respectively. So the dimension of L by R C V in SI units is what? That is the question they are asking you. So you have to find out the dimension of L by R C V in SI units. So the options are LT raised to minus 2, LTA, A raised to minus 1 and LA raised to minus 2. See, for such sums, you have to remember the dimension formula for all these independently. That is for inductance, it is M L raised to 2, T raised to minus 2, A raised to minus 2, and for resistance it is M L raised to 2, T raised to minus 3, A raised to minus 2. Then C is for capacitance. So the dimensional formula for capacitance is M raised to minus 1, L raised to minus 2, T raised to 4 and A raised to 2. Then V for voltage, it is M raised to 1, L raised to 2, T raised to minus 3 and A raised to minus 1. So only if you can remember all these formulas, then you will be able to do substitution here. That is a very long method. See, you have to substitute it and then do the calculations, and then only after doing the calculations you will be able to find out the answer. So the main difficulty is to remember all these formulas, and it takes a long time and lots of steps to solve this. And well, there is another easy method to solve this equation without us using any dimensional formula. So how can you do it without using dimension formula? Let us see. Okay, for that we can apply some simple tricks. So you know what you are asked to find out in the question, that is L by R C V. So normal case, what will you do? You will write the dimensional formula for L, R, C, V, each inductance, resistance, capacitance, voltage, everything you have to write. Now here we will just do one easy method. So time period is given as L by R. There is a formula like L by R is equal to time period. Okay, so now time period is equal to L by R means it is inductance by resistance. You all will know that formula. You all would have learned it in your physics chapters. So remember that T is equal to L by R. So that is the first thing you have to remember. Now there is another formula like Q is equal to CV. Okay, that is Q is equal to CV, that is charge is equal to capacitance into potential difference. So we are mainly depending on two formulas here. First one is time period, T is equal to L by R, that is inductance by resistance. That is the first thing you have to remember. And the second thing you have to remember is Q is equal to CV, that is charge is equal to capacitance into potential difference. Okay, now this is easy for you to solve. That is, one more thing is like Q is equal to current into time. So these formulas you just remember. So what we have got to do now, from these two we will do the substitution, that is L by R, instead of that you can put T. Okay, put T here, the C instead of CV you have to put Q. So what do you get now? T by Q. Now we will see what you can write for Q here. So as I already said, Q is equal to I into time, that is current into time. For current, what do you use normally? A. Okay, and for time we use T. Okay, current is A and time is T. So now we will just do the substitution, that is T by Q is equal to T by, instead of Q what do you put, AT, okay, T by AT. So what do you get now, T and T will get cancelled, we will get L by RCV is equal to 1 by A. Okay, 1 by A is nothing, it is A raised to minus 1. See, you are getting the choice third as the answer. See how easy you can do if you remember such short tricks. Normally if you attempt this question for examination, just think, you will be taking a few seconds to remember each of these formulas. Okay, so then you will get confused with L raised to how much, T raised to how much, all these things, you know, you will have to double check it again. See, if one value or power goes wrong, the whole answer will be wrong itself. So first of all you will have to write these 4 steps, then write the 4 dimensional equations, then after that you have to substitute, that is L, you have to write the whole thing for that. Then R, C, V, C, L it is given as inductance, that is why we are using this alphabet. Then divided by R into C into V, these 3. So substitute everything, okay, then you have to cancel out everything and do the calculations and all that. So instead of doing, the main point is for the students to remember all these dimensional formulas. Without knowing these dimensional formulas, you won't be able to solve such sums. So instead what did you do here, L by RCV, we will just go through it again quickly. L by R is just, it is T, that is time period. Time period is nothing but L by R. What is L by R? Inductance by resistance. Remember these 2 formulas, T equal to L by R and Q is equal to CV. So instead of L by R we put T, and instead of CV we put Q. So we got T by Q. Now Q is nothing but the product of current and time. Okay, charge is the product of current and time. So what did you do? We substituted for Q, A, T. Then cancel out T and T, and we got L by RCV as 1 by A, and finally answer is A raised to minus 1, which is option 3. So we will be doing more questions on dimensional equations, because many students are asking to give some shortcut methods for such questions, because you know these type of questions are sure shot for any entrance exam. Without at least one question from this part, there won't be, you know, mostly in every question paper you can see such questions, including JEE as well as NEET. Such questions will surely come for the exam. So if you can solve such easy questions from physics, you will be easily able to score 4 marks from this, because you know you will be getting some tough questions also from numericals in physics. So instead, if you learn such questions, you will be finding it really easy. I hope you find this trick for solving the sum really useful, and we will be uploading more such tricks from physics and chemistry because your exams are coming near. And again, thanking you from the bottom of my heart for your support and your encouragement to the channel within a short span of time. See, this is a very new channel, and we started it only just 3 months ago. So within this short time we have achieved a great by getting so many subscribers and students who are supporting us in every possible way, and my prayers will be with you all that you will be able to write your exams well and score high marks for NEET. So with that, we are coming to a conclusion of this video, and do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.